Hello everybody, my name is Will and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how to set up streaming on OBS. So let's just start. So the first step you will need to do in order to set up your streaming on OBS is obviously install OBS. Now if you do not have OBS on your computer currently, I'll teach you how to install it. So you want to open any browser and just search up OBS. Then it should be the first link here. OBS project. Then you will need to select which operating system you are on. I'm currently on Windows 10, as you can see, so I would click Windows. Now you just want to put that into your or downloads folder or wherever you guys have your stuff saved, and just wait for that to download. Once that's finished downloading, you just need to go into your files, and then you will now have this application here. Now what you're going to need to do is run the application and it will start the install process. So once you've done that, come back to the video and I'll teach you the next step. Now bear in mind, when you open your OBS, it will look very different from mine, as mine is already set up for how I record and how I like to stream with all of my settings set up. If you guys want me to do streaming settings and recording settings, I will do them in a different video. So this is what my OBS looks like at the moment, but yours will probably look something similar to this. But of course, your scenes, you'll only have one scene and you won't have any sources. So first thing you're going to want to do is create a new scene, and we'll just call this streaming window. For simplicity, so I can show you guys, I'm going to quickly go onto this. So what you are going to want to do is, in this streaming window, you're going to need to go to sources. You can either right click or hit the arrow, and if you are streaming a game, you're going to need to open the game and you will open game capture. You can have it so that it captures any full screen application, or if you want a specific window. But for this video, since I'm not going to be running any games at the moment, I will just open a display capture. Now what this will do is it will record everything that's going on your screen. So I'll click display capture, and as you can see, it automatically starts recording my primary monitor. Now I can have it capture my secondary monitor if I wanted to, but I'm just going to stick with my primary monitor. So now I'll go back to studio mode and I'll quickly transition. Now the next step you're going to want to do is add a audio input. So you're going to once again go to here on your sources. You're going to want to click the plus or right click and do audio input. And then you will just need to select which input device you're using. So in my case, I'm using the SteelSeries sound mixer that comes with the SteelSeries app. So I'm going to use the microphone here. And once you've got that set up, let me just transition real quick, guys. You guys should have your audio coming in like this. Now, I'm not sure if I sound any louder or quieter than before, because it will not have copied over my settings from this side. As you can see here, you can make folders to sort stuff, and that's what I've done over here. Once again, I'll get into how to adding different audio sources in a different video. So now that we have our display input and our audio input, it's now time to set up the actual streaming side of it. So what you're going to need to do is go to settings, and then you want to go to the stream tab. Now, I live stream on YouTube, but there are lots of different platforms you can stream on here. You can do Facebook Live, Twitter, Twitch, but I stream on YouTube, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So for the sake of this video, I'll disconnect my account so that I have the same screen as you guys will have. So in order to start streaming on YouTube, you will need your stream key. So click the use stream key button and this bar will pop up. Now you may be wondering, how do you get your stream key? Well, let me show you. If you click this button here, it will take you directly to where you can get your stream key. But if you're not signed into your YouTube account, what you will need to do is go into your browser, go onto YouTube. You want to go onto your YouTube channel, and then you will need to click this upload button here. Then once you're on here, you will need to go to the create button and click go live, which will take you to this screen here. So as you can see here, my stream key is here. So I'm going to click copy, I'm going to go back onto OBS, then click use stream key, and I am going to paste my stream key right into there. And I click apply and OK. Now what I will do is, if I click start, now ordinary what would happen is you would click start streaming, and over here it will light up, giving you the option to go live. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you set up live streaming. Now, one quick thing before I go, I will quickly show you guys how to capture specific applications. So to make it easy, I'm going to show you how to set up Roblox. So we'll just find a game here, just quickly go into a private server. So what you will need to do is, of course, you'll first need to load up the game you would like to record. So what you will need to do, once the game is open, as you can see down here, my game is open, click the plus button, go to game capture, click OK. Then you can have it capture any full screen application. So I press OK. Then if I press F11 here, it should start capturing Roblox. But if I change it to capture specific window, I can have it specifically start capturing Roblox. So if as you can see here on my preview, it changed straight to Roblox. So if I hide this and then quickly transition, as you guys can see, it's now capturing my unloaded Roblox gameplay. So yeah, now once you go live, your viewers will be able to see your high intensity gaming. So yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to cover in today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, hopefully you understood. I'll go over how to change and what settings you will need depending on the specs of your computer, the future video, and how to set up recording and the settings for that, once again, which will rely on the specs of your computer. But for now, that's going to be it for my first video on how to set up streaming on OBS. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again soon on the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.